I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select WS Form. To integrate the WS Form, go to the WS Form and navigate to the action. To add a new action, click on the plus icon and give it a meaningful name. Choose action. Choose type. Give here a hook tag. So go to the integration site. Under the note, copy the hook tag, then paste it on the WS Form. Save and close it. Now go to your integration site and choose a form. Next. Now here search and select MailPoet. Here, give a meaningful integration name as you want. Click on Authorize. Authorization is successful. Click Next. Choose a list from the drop-down. Now do the field mapping. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition matches, then the data you will send to MailPoet. Then click Next. Now save the integration. Let's submit a form. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now navigate to MailPoet. Then go to Subscribers. Here is the data that came into MailPoet through the integration. Thanks for watching.